Hey there, are you a Pokemon fan? If so, then join me and let's decorate them all. I'm Leslie from Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and today I'm making a Pikachu cookie. This is a really simple and easy design, and you're going to want to go ahead and grab your royal icing and your cookies and decorate along with me. So I hand cut all of these cookies. I just printed out an image off the internet, cut it out, and put packing tape on both sides of the image so that it could be washable, and then cut it out of my frozen dough. I have a whole video on how to hand cut your cookies, so check that out. And anyway, once my cookies were baked, I outlined and flooded it in with a 15-second royal icing in yellow. And now I'm just taking my scribe and getting my icing out to the edge. I'm making these Pokemon cookies for my nephew's birthday, so you're going to want to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a single video in the series. And once I finished with the yellow icing, I am immediately going to grab my black icing, which is also in about a 15-second consistency, and I'm just going to outline and flood in this last little bit of the ears here. And then, as I always do, I'm going to take my scribe, or you can use a toothpick, and I'm just going to make sure that this icing gets all the way down to the cookie by tapping up and down in it and smoothing it out with my scribe. If the icing is sticking to your scribe, just wipe it off and then just barely tap at it and it will jiggle and settle right down. As boring as it is to have to use the scribe after everything you do with royal icing, it really helps to give your cookie a professional finish. And then I let my cookie dry completely, and I'm using a projector to trace the design onto the cookie. But you could also use the paper piecing or the tissue paper method, and I have videos on that too, so I'll leave links to that in the description. And it's kind of hard to see with the projector on, so I've turned it off now, and I'm just going to go over some of these areas and finish coloring in Pikachu. And I'll leave a list in the description of the products I used as well, and I just have this one little bit left to do, and that's to paint the white of his eyes. And then I'm going to outline all of Pikachu with black royal icing. And I'm using a detail consistency black royal icing for this, and I'm just going to touch down, lift up, and follow along the edge of the cookie. I'm going to watch where my icing is falling and not where my piping bag is going. And I'm going to apply even pressure to my piping bag as I go around, and as I come over here, I'm going to stop squeezing and then touch down my line. And then I'll go up and do the same thing around the ears. My nephew's favorite Pokemon is Hitmonlee, so I'll be making those cookies as well. And then we also have a Squirtle coming up, and a Pokeball, and a number 5 cookie that is going to have some Pokeballs on it as well that we'll use royal icing transfers for. So if you're interested in Pokemon and you want to make these cookies with me, gather up your supplies, everything is listed in the description, and let's decorate together. And you can see how slow I'm going for this outline. This is real time. So you just want to take your time with cookie decorating, be patient, and have some fun with it, but don't be in a rush or you'll end up being frustrated with the results. And I'm just taking my scribe now and poking down any bumps at the start and stop points where I join my icing. And then these Pikachus are done. And here's the rest of the series. So hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and let me know who your favorite Pokemon is in the comments. Maybe we'll make that one together next. Thank you so much for watching, and let's decorate them all. See you next time.